Is your shower too hot or not hot enough? I've got the trick for you. Welcome back to He Can Fix Anything. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily adjust the temperature of your shower without having to mess with your hot water heater temperature. Now this is a trick I learned with my Delta faucet, and all it took was an 1/8 inch Allen wrench to remove this handle. Let me show you how it's done. All you have to do is find the little hole on the back of the handle where the set screw is located, insert your Allen wrench, and loosen it. It doesn't take much loosening, and then it will just pull right off. Now behind here, there's a little tab I'll remove. And the next thing, just to help you see better, I'll go ahead and remove this. So you see this is already started to slip off. What this is, now I'll see if I can show it to you a little bit better. See up here it says colder, and at the bottom it says hotter, and it has arrows. And what that is, there is a factory setting. If you can see a little notch right here and a little line right there, and that's the factory setting. And generally those are set at a safe temperature. And so if your shower is not hot enough for you, then you'll pop this out, turn it a little bit, put it back in, and that will give you more hot water and less cold water in the mixture when you have it turned to the maximum hot. If the water's too hot for your liking, you can do the opposite. You just pull this out, turn it that way, and there's multiple notches, multiple settings, so you can really fine tune this to your taste. My wife loves hot showers, and so I'm going to turn it all the way over there. And one of the nice things about this, you don't have to shut the water off to your house. You don't have to really do anything. And you can go ahead and test it out. Just put the handle back on and turn it on just to test the water temperature and see if you can find it to your liking. Once you have this thing dialed in exactly where you want it, then you just reassemble.